Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about something that's often difficult, but incredibly important: forgiveness. Forgiveness is the act of letting go of anger and resentment towards someone who has wronged you. It's not about condoning their actions or saying what they did was okay. It's about releasing yourself from the negative emotions that can hold you back. Why is forgiveness important? Forgiveness is important for several reasons. First, it can improve your mental and physical health. Holding onto anger and resentment can lead to stress, anxiety, and even depression. Forgiveness, on the other hand, can promote peace, happiness, and well-being. Second, forgiveness can strengthen your relationships. When you forgive someone, you open the door to reconciliation and healing. This can be especially important in close relationships, such as with family and friends. Finally, forgiveness is a sign of strength. It takes courage to let go of anger and resentment, but it's ultimately a choice that you make for yourself. How to forgive someone? Forgiving someone isn't always easy, but there are a few things you can do to make the process easier. Change your victim story. If you're stuck in a story where you're the victim and the other person is the villain, it will be hard to forgive them. Try to reframe the story in a way that empowers you and gives you agency. Develop empathy. Try to understand why the other person did what they did. This doesn't mean you have to condone their actions, but it can help you to see things from their perspective. Lower your expectations. Don't expect the other person to apologize or make amends. Forgiveness is about letting go of your own expectations and moving on. Practice self-compassion. Be patient with yourself as you go through the process of forgiveness. It takes time and effort, and there will be setbacks along the way. Forgiveness is a powerful tool that can help you heal from past hurts and live a happier, more fulfilling life. If you're struggling to forgive someone, remember that you're not alone. There are many resources available to help you on your journey. What are your thoughts on forgiveness? Have you ever had to forgive someone for something they did to you? Share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has inspired you to think about the importance of forgiveness. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.